Today we're going to make the most fantastic refried beans. And to tell you the unfried truth, they're not going to be fried at all. I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. Our list of ingredients, pretty simple. We've got the pinto beans. We've got sweet onions. Over here we have chicken broth, 2 chicken bouillon cubes. I'm using 2 jalapeno peppers. I've diced them up a little bit, but I've removed the seeds because I don't want that much heat. And then we have garlic. I'm also using cilantro, cayenne pepper, cumin, and 2 cups of water. The only thing fried in this entire recipe are the sweet onions, and we want to get them blackened because that's going to release a really wonderful flavor. That's part of the secret of this. So let's get going. We start by laying our onions in. Normally I would use 1 large sweet onion, but these just happen to be a little bit smaller, so I chose to use 2. I'm going to let this sit in the pan. I'm using olive oil down here, about 2 tablespoons. Well, in this kitchen, you can smell the onions and they are done, ready to go. So the first thing we're going to put in the crock pot is the beans. Look at those onions. You can tell they're brown. You may even want to take it one step further and blacken them, but I like them just the way they are. They're going to sit right on top of the beans. From here, it gets simple. Watch this. See all of our wonderful ingredients? In they go. Yes, I washed my hands. And even if I didn't, you're not eating this, we are. Put in a dash of cumin all over the place. We put in our cayenne pepper, put in our chicken broth, and also I'm going to put in 2 cups of water. At the end of this process, you're probably going to be taking out some of the liquid, but we'll see how much the beans soak up. In the meantime, we're going to turn this on low and let it go for 8 hours. 8 hours later. First thing I'll try and do is get rid of some of the excess liquid, but I'm going to reserve the liquid in case we need it back in there. Then after I get rid of the liquid, we're going to drop in some butter. And now, our secret ingredient, a whole stick of butter. Here we have the beautiful finished product. 8 hours and you didn't have to do a thing except wait. Of course, you added a little butter at the end, but now the true taste is in the pudding. Oh, it's not pudding, it's beans. You're gonna love these beans, I tell you what. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this, please leave a comment. And also tell me, do you like your beans a little on the spicy side, or do you just like them plain? Leave a note in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. For Cooking in a Flannel Shirt, thank you very much.